Hey everybody, it's really easy to find the macro controls in Excel. At the top of the screen, click on the View tab, and then over on the right, you'll see a group called Macros. If I click on just the little down pointing arrow, not the button at the top, but the little down pointing arrow, then I'll see the three options. View Macros, which will let me see the list of macros that you can work with. Then you can record a macro so that each of the commands you do in Excel will be saved and you can play them again. And there's an option to turn on relative references. I cover relative references in my full course. That's it. That's all you need to know to find the macro controls. In the next video, I'll show you how we can use them to record your first macro.